All right, my friend, welcome to this quick overview video where I'm gonna teach you how to do a rope cable triceps press down. And I'm gonna cover the fine form points so you can get the most out of this excellent exercise. And you're gonna see me demo a few here on camera. I'm gonna give you all the tips so you know exactly how to do this properly. Enjoy.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so here I'm at the rope cable press down. First thing I want you to do, obviously grab the handles, but before we get to what you're doing with your arms, it's important in this exercise that you keep a tight core, you stand upright, and you just have a good general posture with your shoulders down and back. Because what can happen is if you're hunched over, your traps can take a lot of the brunt of this exercise, and your triceps aren't as involved. So I want you to have this nice upright posture here. Keep that core very tight. Elbows start here at 90 degrees, and I'm squeezing the crap out of these handles, which is important to do in any triceps exercise. So squeezing really hard on the rope, and I'm pressing down to the bottom, and I'm turning my hands out. So I'm really trying to rip this rope apart at the bottom. And I'm bringing it right back up in front of me to a little past 90 degrees, and I'm coming right back down, trying to rip these ropes apart. Now, a big mistake that people make with this exercise is they let the handles touch. Like here, you can see they're touching, and they push down like this. This makes the exercise so much easier because I'm able to push against my other arm. I want you to make sure these handles are always separated. You're in this good posture, you're boom, squeezing the crap out of your triceps at the bottom, coming right back up to 90. Good little stretch, come right back down. Good, just like this, smooth, controlled. Just like every good arm exercise, it's all about the contraction. Focus on the contraction. Don't use weight where you're jerking it with your whole body. This is not a whole body motion. I want most of the motion here to come straight from this one arm down to here, right back up. All the motions right here from the bend at the elbow, squeeze the tricep. And that is how you properly do a rope cable press down, which is an awesome tricep exercise. For more tips on more best tricep exercises as well as exercises for the rest of your body, make sure to check out our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. Our exercise library is excellent. We're constantly building and adding new tutorials just like this. And if you'd like some tips on what you should do with your workouts, with your nutrition, this is what we do. We have a ton of free resources linked all over this video and down below in the description box. Check that out because we have a great free one-day meal plan. We have a great 24-minute at-home fat burning workout. So all those are great resources. Love to help you out with that stuff. But anyways, thanks for being here, my friend. Grateful to help you, grateful we connected. And feel free to comment below and say hi. Me and my team are here to help. We'll talk to you soon.